Hey YouTubers, Bruce here from the cool Geerage. I'm back today to talk about something that needs to be done every now and again, and is cleaning of the Traeger fire pot area, the furnace area and all that sort of stuff. And all the, obviously the pellets have to burn down into something. They burn down into ash, and the ash ends up coming out in down below your Traeger. And the little screen, the little digital screen, and it will even tell you that the fire pots don't clean themselves, you got to clean it. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I go about cleaning this. And I clean about probably once every 6 times. I feel that's fine. So just based on the amount of the ash. So let's take a look inside here. Now it's dirty, but it doesn't matter. That's not really what I'm after. I'm not after the dirty grill. What I'm after is the this will go in the garbage, right? This is just the drip pan. I'll also make sure that disappears. That. What it is we're going to go after is below here is the ash area. And you can see, come on in there for a look. You see what I'm talking about here is all of this ash here. It's got to go somewhere. It ends up getting all just left into place. So I'll just put the light in there a little bit better. So I'm going to start now. I'm going to clean out get with the shop vac and get rid of all of that ash and that, you know, all the buildup. You don't want it to build up. It's just going to cause a problem down there in your in the fire pot. You can see the pellets are down there. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean out. Bear with me, a bit noisy. Okay, so now that we have it all vacuumed out, all the ashes is cleaned out of there, and what I've done is I've taken a scraper, kind of scraped some of the black, more oily materials. It's time to reassemble it and install new trays. So starting with the heat shield, because the heat shield was last taken out, that gets put back in, put the tray back in, on top of that, right down in there. There we are for that. And since we're at it, we're going to replace the drip pan. So the whole point in the drip pan and cleaning it out and replacing it is so when the new temperatures come in here with other smoked materials that we're eating, those old oils are not being sort of polluting the air that you're going to be creating inside for the new smoke. So I switch this out once every 6 times or so. That's it there, ready to drop the main tray back in here, like so. And I also replace the pot, the excess drip trays too. So all good to go. There we have it. We have a quick maintenance on the Traeger. Did not clean any of the blackness out of it. It just adds to the smoky flavor. Trying to get the majority of the ashes and just keep it flowing smooth. So with that in mind, that's another video. If you did like it, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up. It shows that you guys are looking at it, paying attention, you like it. Make comments on what you might want to see in the future, maybe ways I can do better. So that's it. We have finished the Traeger electric smoker clean out for this go. From Bruce from the cool Geerage out.